Hi guys, it's Future Labs. My name is Troll, and we got a hell of a week coming for us, and we're gonna talk why and what we need to do with that. Let's get into the video. I think most of you know that BTC recent time for past few years is really same with a Nasdaq, and Nasdaq are moving from all of these macro things, and one of these really strong macro things is the meeting of the Federal Reserve System, which is coming up for us in just like 26th of July. So this is 27th of July, and this is really soon. And if they will increase the rate interest for 0.75 or 1, I think market will grow because everyone's just like waiting for that, and this is kind of in price. If it will be higher, really higher than that, or there will be some another negative news about inflation, about like whatever, we will going down. My recommendation for you guys is to do not open positions before that, do not trade big volume before that, and try to just catch kind of post movement after that, like what is going on. Is it really bad or is it really good? If you're growing, just go buy, get yourself a few percent. If you're going down, just sell, get yourself another few percent. This is really simple, I think. Another really big factor is that there will be a second quarter GDP of the America, right? And if it will be lower than anybody thinking, or it will be negative or whatever, it will mean that right now the America are going into recession, like completely right now at 28th of July, and this is super bad news if market will see these parameters and it will think, all right guys, we have a recession because of these parameters right now. This will be, I think, super bad, and everything will be going down so hard. And again, my recommendation for you guys is to do not have any big open positions for that day, and if it will be going down, try to short it probably. This is the last time when the interest rate were increasing, so they increased it for 0.75. I thought this is kind of bad for us because when it increases, this is really negative for the whole economy. We don't have any money from the outside and all of this stuff. But in fact, we saw a really huge growth for like around for like around 20%, I believe. Yeah, we see, or like. Oh, this is not the thing. Yeah, this is not the thing. Sorry. Yeah, this is the increasing of the rate, and we saw for around like 20% in here increasing, right? 22%. So you could just wait a bit. When you see this is a really positive news for the whole market, just go in here, you just buy some, get yourself a few percent, and just live your happy life. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you like this video. Have a really good trading week. See you guys.